welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So today what we're going to be making is brownies. They're one of my favorite chocolatey desserts. Did I say chocolatey desserts wrong? Who cares? So we're going to be making a batter and frosting, but not too much frosting. Just a little for the brownie. Even though it sounds weird, we still need frosting. So first we're going to tell you the ingredients of the batter. First we're going to need 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, a 1/3 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, a 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup unsalted butter, 1/2 cup all-purpose flour, 1 cup sugary sugar. Now let's start making the batter and mixing it all up. So now we're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. So I already did it to 350, now I need to press bake and start. I already prepared my pan for the brownies. While the oven is preheating, we're going to take the butter and put it in a saucepan. And if you're not old enough to do this alone, make sure you have a parent watching you, or let your parent do this for you. When your butter is done melting, turn it off and remove from heat. So what we're going to do now is stir in the saucepan with the butter, the sugar, the eggs, and the vanilla. So first I'm going to put in the sugary sugar. Now the vanilla, mixed in with the sugar and the butter. Next, the final 2 eggs. Now it's time to mix it all up with our whisk. Now we're going to add in all the other ingredients to make the batter. Now let's finally mix our batter all in. It smells so good. So I'm going to just try a bit. Oh my god. If you lick your finger, make sure you don't put it back in there, because then you're going to have germs and you can't share it with anybody else. Oh, I almost forgot. I got these dividers to make brownie shapes. Now we're going to pour it on top. Just pour it. So we didn't have enough batter to fill up the whole thing, but we did 2 of the straight lines. So I already got my mittens, and now it's time to put them in the oven. Oh, and don't forget, if you're not old enough, let a parent help you put it in the oven. So we need to leave it in the oven for 28 minutes. So while we're waiting for the batter to bake, we're gonna make our frosting. So what we're gonna need for our frosting is 1 cup powdered sugar, 3 tablespoons unsweetened cocoa powder, 3 tablespoons softened butter, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, tablespoon honey. Now we're going to combine that all into this. First, powdered sugar. Work with me here. You're not listening, I'm going to get a spoon. This is what happens when you forget to dry your dishes well enough. Onto the other ones. Cocoa powder. You work with me really well. Now the butter never comes out good, so we're gonna need to do this with our fingers. Our greasy finger. Now let's add the other ones. The vanilla. And finally the honey. Powder got in my mouth. We're mixing. Time to take the brownies out of the oven. As perfect as we wanted it to, but it still became brownies. have no idea how to make unsweetened brownies. Okay, how do you spread this? I think I'm better off with a knife. Better off with a knife. Butter knife. I'm finishing up the brownies. They're done. Take it out. Come on, dude. Ah! One came out. The rest are not coming out. So I guess I'm going to eat it with a spoon. Who's going to have the one that came out? Okay, my friend Mason came over and he wants to try it. Come on, goof heads. Oh, baby. That one broke. Okay. Some of us have chocolate lipstick. If you like this video, guys, hit the like button and subscribe. I'm going to say it properly. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe. And send me pictures if you make these brownies.